And were you qualified as an expert in those cases?
Yes.
Okay. Have you been qualified in blood testing in labs and hospitals to give testimony?
Many times.
In breath testing?
Yes.
In the breath testing involving alcohol?
Correct.
In chemical analysis of blood, have you been declared an expert in that area?
Yes, correct.
Approximately how many times as a chemical analysis of blood have you been qualified in a court as an expert?
I would say over 400.
When it concerns the issue of driving impairment, have you been qualified in courts on that issue?
Yes, I have.
And approximately how many times?
Several hundred.
Have you been qualified in federal court ever?
Oh, yes.
And drug use and effects, have you been qualified in that area in courts?
Yes, prescription drugs, drugs of abuse, over-the-counter drugs, drug interactions.
With regard to field sobriety tests and chemicals that may affect sobriety tests or dexterity tests, have you been qualified in that area that you've given testimony?
Yes, and I have formal education in field sobriety tests.
How long ago would have that been?
2014 or so.
And do you do updates on that?
Yes, I teach the
You
course.
teach it?
Yes.
So you teach courses in forensic and related areas?
Yes, and in field sobriety tests, blood testing, breath testing.
In what setting do you teach?
For the State Bar of California, I also teach for various criminal defense organizations.
When you say the State Bar of California, would that be that people attend that are defense attorneys and prosecutors?
And judges.
And judges?
Yes.